USAutomatic has a long history of building great, reliable, and quality gate openers here in the US. We make openers that just work. But we can do more. Imagine controlling your gate from anywhere in the world. Get notified who and when activated your gate, or even share control to friends and family. With USAutomatic Nexx Gate, you can take your USAutomatic gate opener to the next level of security and convenience. It's quick and easy to install and is compatible with all USAutomatic gate openers, even with older models. Beyond security and peace of mind, USAutomatic Nexx Gate works with Nexx Garage so that you can open both your gate and garage simultaneously. It also lets you pick your favorite ways of activation by tapping on your smartphone, by speaking to Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, or by simply driving home and your gate automatically opens, welcoming you home. USAutomatic, products you can depend on, technology you dream of. Visit us at USAutomatic.com.